How's it going, everybody? So we're just jumping right into it here with a carb teardown on the SV650, but as you'll note throughout the video, I draw from screwdrivers on my right side. Those are Japanese industrial standards, so JIS for short. I usually get mine on eBay. They are invaluable. So the silver ones you see, they're actually impact drivers, so you can actually hit them with a hammer, as you'll see me do throughout the video at one point. But I can't recommend them enough. They will keep you from stripping out all of these screws. You'll see how much effort I have to put into these ones on these carbs, because this bike sat for a long time and everything just seemed to be frozen. So you had to really put some effort into them to crack them loose. But again, I can't recommend enough. JIS. Go ahead and give them a search, and yeah, you'll find some. Pick them up, and you will be very satisfied.
What's up?
What up? Well, it appears that after sitting for a year, almost every single thing on these carbs is just kind of seized up. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull the tops off here, pull the diaphragms out, and then I'm going to put in my ultrasonic cleaner for about 5 minutes, get it up to temp, let everything kind of expand, and then it should be a lot easier to take apart. That's just how it goes. Sometimes you got to do that. Front cylinder, rear cylinder, front, rear. Keep them organized. So you note I said keep organized. That is also just, I can't stress that enough. Those little yellow bins, I just got those from Harbor Freight. They're nothing serious, a couple bucks a piece, but yeah. Spend the money on some stuff like that, good screwdrivers, some good tools, and oh my god, the job will be so much easier. See, found some oil on this. It's when the bike was held over on its side. Poured a bunch of oil through the front, or through the intake valves into the carbs. It's not really a bad thing. Kept everything lubricated and not seized up. Cleaner will take care of that. And I'm just going to keep the bracketry on, because I got a 30-liter tank, and that'll fit just fine. We'll take the throttle position sensor off if we can. There we go.
very careful taking these off. A lot of bikes just have an O-ring built into here, but this one actually has a gasket, and you don't want to tear that. Stupid hose is in the way. We can't. Not getting too comfortable here. Alright, at this point I'm going to go ahead and toss them in here. Get some heat in them, see if we can get these hoses and these screws to break loose. They're in there just too solid right now.
So at this point I went ahead and tossed these carbs in the ultrasonic cleaner. I do it at about 50 degrees Celsius with just hot water, Dawn dish soap, and sometimes I'll use a chemical like neon green. But you can see this is how they come out, and they come out looking really good. And then from there I went back into the teardown. So once I got these fully disassembled, all the brass out and all the cables out, go ahead and put them in the ultrasonic cleaner. Again, I usually do 2 sessions of 10 minutes each, but again 50 degrees Celsius, and then whenever they come out, you see them here. They usually look very good. From then I'll air dry and go ahead and get them tossed back on the bike. But yeah, there you go.